Oh, hello guys. Good day. If you are just coming across my channel, please click on the subscription button. All right. Stay tuned till this video is over. You're gonna learn a lot. Trust me. All right. I'm gonna be discussing about the common mistakes in TRSS, and this is gonna help you because if you understand the TRSS, you are understanding the market structure. You understand? So after this video, trust me, you're gonna learn a lot, and becoming profitable will be very, 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 very easy for you, right? So all what you are lacking is just market structure. So if you understand the market structure, you'll be profitable. So stay tuned to this video is over. Okay. So I'm gonna be giving you the five key common mistakes that we all are making in TRSS while using the strategy. First one that I have here, which is entering before break of structure. Most of us are entering before break of structure. Price haven't confirmed a break of structure yet, and you are entering. Why are you entering the market without a confirmation? That's why most of us are making mistakes, making losses in forex trading, because we have to confirm that price is actually heading back down before you can be able to join the buyers. All right. The number two here is mislabeling structures. Most of us, the newbie, we are fond of mislabeling structures. We don't understand the structure of the market. We are just marking any zones that we see. The third one, ignoring liquidity zones. We are always ignoring this liquidity zone, which is very, very bad. So all these things are what the mistake we are making in trading. Over relying on indicators. Most of us go back, especially the newbies. You go carry 100 indicators, put for your chart, but waiting. Carry two, three indicators, four indicators that you are waiting for market direction. Are looking for which market direction? Market is moving in structures. So if you can understand these structures, you don't have any problem in the market. All right. And not using confluences. You need to understand and you make use of your confluences. It will guide you and help you in becoming profitable. All right. So you got to have at least three plus confluences before you can make any trade. So examples of this thing I'm most of the newbies, we don't know how to mark structures. We can be marking out these structures, marking out any structures. A structure is a low that pushes up to break the recent high that price gave. You can see I mark out this high and then mark out this low. Price gave us a push to this high. If you notice this is higher than this is when you can discover that price is currently an uptrend. And price push all the way to this low. You notice price push high, price push all the way to this high, and this is the highest level that price gave. Push all the way to this low, you notice give us an equal low on this particular zone, and then push back. So this is considered a valid low. Push back up to this high. This when you can know that price is actually an uptrend. And then what happened? Price trace back to this low, and then giving us a push up to this particular high. So it first gave us all the way to this high, retrace on this particular zone, and then push all the way to this high, telling us that price is currently an uptrend. So now, how did you discover that price is no longer going up? Is when you discover a change of character. This is a change of character, price going down, taking out these lows that it created. This is when price is giving you that it have already changed character. I was patiently waiting for price. It came back and tested on the first low, which it got broken, and went again, took out this low. I discovered that currently price is going down. So all I have to do is to be patient to wait for a clean setup, which I will join. So price gave me this setup and then push back again, took out this low. This is a clean setup that I have seen and I've traded. So I waited for price to come in here, which I took the trade immediately. If you notice, I mark out this red candlestick there is here. Price came in, and then what happened? I took it up to this low. So this is it, profit smash. So this is early time to catch out reversal. You notice price is no longer creating a higher highs, a higher low, a higher highs, a higher low. So what's instead, price created a higher high and then came back to create a lower low, took out this low, took out this low. This is when you can discover that price is no longer going up. All price is doing is changing to a downtrend. Price created a lower high here. It didn't get up to this high, or did it take it out? No. Instead, it pushed down to take out this low. What happened? Telling us that this is a continuation of the sellers. All you can do is to just join the sellers and start writing down. All right. So all you have to just wait is to be patient and wait for the right time to actually join these sellers. All right. So you have to be very patient when trading. So I waited, and this is it. Price retraced on this particular low and then pushed down, came up again to this particular high, and then this is it. Respected this zone, continuously heading back. If you notice, this push wasn't able to take out this high. It's a recent high that it created. It just respected it, and then continuously is down word move. All right. So I believe you now understand how to use this TRSS and the common mistake we are making, so that you won't be making such mistake anymore. So becoming profitable is by being disciplined, patient, respecting your rules, your strategy rules. So guys, this is it for this video. If you are a new subscriber, please kindly click on the subscription button. Don't forget to like, share to your friends, all right, to be part of the family. So this is it, guys. Take care and bye for now.